So you identified trust as an issue, right? There's skepticism of leadership, right? From the community side and probably internally as well. So walk us through some of the first steps, that you took to start to rebuild trust with staff. You've got a leadership team of campus leaders and admin staff, and then they've got obviously their faculties on their campuses, and then community trust. Is there a specific set of steps you took to help rebuild that?
There are so many things that I did, and I'm sure I'm going to forget something, but I do remember my thought was you build trust by building relationships. So it was really important for me to be on campuses. It was important for me to be at activities and events, and it was important to be visible, to be seen. It also was important to me how you're seen, how you show up. And although it was some of the roughest times in leadership for me, to show up with a smile on my face and the warm feeling and the motivation and inspiration of we've got this. I know it's hard. Acknowledging, I know this is hard, but we can do this, guys. We've got it. Together we can make it. And so I really just tried to be that calm and that sense of peace and also joy. I'm not going to walk around looking depressed. There's a lot of things that can have me depressed about what's going on, but we've got this. And it was just really kind of renewing the spirit and the pride that used to be here. One of the things that actually was a plus is I am from Crosby, born and raised, alumni. I have lived here. I lived here all of my childhood. Went away for college, maybe first 2 years of adult, 2 or 3 years. I lived in Houston, and then I moved back, and I chose to raise my children in the same community, right? That was a choice as an adult to move back and raise a family here. And so the positive of that, I felt everything. I felt and knew everything we were going through. So when the rift happened, my sons lost teachers. I mean, I was in the thick of it. And so sitting in this seat, I had all of those emotions. I had the emotions of the experience of when times were great. And when it was great, it was great. Everybody loved each other. We loved our communities. Our communities loved our district. I mean, we were on fire. So I knew what it was. And I also was in the community living here and was a parent when it went bad. And so I had that emotion. And really, when I came into the job, it was, we're going to reclaim what we were and be even better. Because we have so much potential, and we are an amazing district with amazing communities and parents and teachers and all of that. I see the beauty in who we are. And so my goal was and continues to be to shine that light on the very positives that we have. And I just really think we're amazing. And so it's showing that.